See what we got in the bag here. That looks like a damn chore. Yeah.
Got an exhaust kit in.
Hey, welcome back to Old Rascal Garage. Little update on some damn parts we got came in. Dad said the what do you call it? The exhaust stuff come in today for it. We got from Speedway. We got the 2 1/4 inch. We're going to stick on there and kind of give us a layout of what we got. We got those Raptor mufflers that he had off another damn project, so we're going to get them. There's our kit we got from Speedway, 2 1/4 inch. We probably should have went with 2 1/2, but we like 2 1/4. Seemed like it worked better.
Oh, I can't tell the difference, can you?
Yeah, I can't either.
How could that be 2? That's got to be under 2 1/4
on that end.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, that'll go up to our flange on our shorty headers there. So.
We'll weld them in, yeah.
Yeah, and then we got the
whoa.
The Raptor mufflers we got. We still can't figure out what damn project they came off of, or how we ended up with them. Do you remember?
No, I don't know. I can't place getting them things. I don't know if somebody gave them to me. I don't remember buying any.
Yeah, so we figured we could save a little money
I just don't
using them instead of buying any more.
Why there's different sizes?
So I don't understand.
Is both of them the same size, ain't
Yeah.
they? On both sides, same thing?
Yeah. Well, that'll go in there because that's the bailed in. So, yeah.
I thought this is the way it's supposed to work, though.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna make it
Now,
work.
wait a minute.
We're gonna make it work our damn way.
This here's got to be coming from there, so it had to go up in that
Yeah.
right here.
Right.
That's the way it travels this way.
Yeah.
It don't travel that way. It travels that way.
Whatever. As long as some damn exhaust comes out.
We'll make it work.
We got been fiddling around with some of the wiring. I think we got some of that figured out. So, like I say, it ain't too damn complicated. We got our HEI came in today also. So, got us a new distributor for that. I'm sure it's China made, I'm sure. But we'll make it work. We had the exhaust laid out earlier. I believe we'll be able to probably run it out. We want to extend it. We'll have to go on out over the rear end, but we may just turn it out right here by the tire for now.
Got the gas tank. I ain't got it mounted yet, but I got it down where I won't put it.
Yeah, they had been fooling with the tank and figured that out. So we just gotta probably reroute our neck here to get it down below the floor. But got the straps, getting ready to put them in. Fuel line's already run.
Yeah, all we gotta do is tie in right there.
Yeah. Since we got a new tank, new line and everything, I don't think we need that filter in there. Still trying to find our dang cab mounts. We're trying to get our hands on them. We moved some other stuff around when we built this new little tool room here and moved all the stuff over here in the dang floor. We moved over there so we have more workspace. Like I say, just a quick little update on stuff we got in, so we'll be ready to get started on this weekend. Like we're gonna go ahead and get the cab mounts on it when we can find the damn thing. There may be an all that junk we put in there. But find our cab mounts and go ahead and get them on there. Get these wires hooked up. Hook us up a little temporary battery here. May try to get it up on 4 stands and get that exhaust run so we can run it straight out the header and won't be able to hear ourselves think. But she's coming along. Like I said, I just want to get a little update on the parts run we had and got the old hood back over out of the way. Just piddling, you know, Old Rascals piddling on the weekend, so we're trying to get everything squared away to get that done. have something to piddle on. You know, when you get old, you got to have something to piddle on. If you don't, you just lay around and wilt away to nothing, I guess. Keeps us honest and keeps us busy for two old rascals. But that's about it, I think, with parts we got in. We found went out there in our old shop, our old building, shop, just a little metal building. Found some of those little parts and pieces we had. So stick around with us and we'll figure out what we're going to do this weekend. We got some stuff laid out. What'd you find there?
That's a radiator core support mounting bracket.
Oh, for the truck?
I mean, well, washers.
Okay.
That's to mount that core support to the frame.
Okay.
And there's a bumper for the hood.
All right. You mean the bolts?
No, the little bumper thing that says rubber mount.
Oh, here's the emblem that go on the fender. We found them.
All right, here's the.
You got some other stuff in here, man?
This is my whole. There's some. Found the box that's got all the bolts for it, washers and everything.
Oh, okay. You said you bought a kit for it, didn't you?
Hood and hinges. Cowl kit to mount your cowl with.
Okay.
There's a headlight turn signal kit with all the screws. I got the whole box for it.
Yeah, them mounts have got to be in here somewhere.
It got to be.
We're just probably overlooking them.
There's the gas pedal.
Yeah, we probably
steering column seal.
We probably misplaced it in our little move when we moved over here to our
some kind of headliner installed.
Building. That's a 305 motor we took out of the truck. That's one of our big block motors back here.
There's my new rubber pad for the brake and clutch.
Yeah, we just got to keep looking. It's in a box here somewhere, I bet.
Yeah, they got to be in here somewhere.
We'll find it. There's the.
I got to have them.
I was telling y'all about. You got the new. Hey, look at that box over here, Dad. Might be in here. Or you already looked in that one?
No, I hadn't really looked in it, but all these are starters and water pumps up here.
Yeah, we got the new little chrome piece that goes around this cluster here. Put that in the 65 C-10.
I looked in these boxes and ain't nothing.
But we'll keep looking for some parts, and like I say, we probably just set them down on something or under something and can't tell what we got. But like I say, come on back and watch the next video. I'll try to keep an update going on how the truck's coming and what we got hooked up. Maybe we'll get to the eventual point where we can crank the old girl up. Shouldn't take too much. Like I said, it ain't a lot to do, but just finding everything and getting with it. But yeah, follow along with us and we'll see what we can get going on the old girl. Always keep in mind, guys, here's a tip for you. If you're out here working on the old Nova, in this case, my dad's 70 Chevrolet Nova with a 396 big block in it. You may bring a specific tool out here to be working on whatever it is you working on, but always bring a bigger tool or apparatus. Yeah, just in case you might need it for a defense weapon. One of these old weirdos walk up on you. Now in this case, we might need this. Tap on the old Chevrolet starter with it, but you might need it for a knucklehead too. Keep that in mind when you wrench it out here. Under the hood, in the hood. Yeah, that's a good pro tip for today. I envy you guys that live out in the country. You know, you don't have to fool with that too much, but certain guys in certain areas wrenching on their old cars. You know, we have to watch out for stuff like that. But yeah, it's a good idea. Always have you some type of tool